Students, today we are going to talk about a and an. Actually, we are going to know how to use a or an with noun. Before that, let's see what is noun. You know that since last 5 to 10 years you have been learning, you have been studying about this grammar part, but again we are going to know the same things. You are going to learn the same things. Now let's see what is noun. Noun is a name of a person, thing or place. Noun is a name of a person, thing or place, and this noun can be classified into two forms, or there are two forms of nouns. We can say noun is can be used in numbers. There are two numbers. First one is singular and second one is plural. Means there are two numbers in English, the singular number and the plural number. Now let's see the examples of noun. First one example is book. The word written here before you, that is book. Book is a thing, a name of a thing, that's why it is a noun. The next one word is garden. Garden is a name of a place, that's why it is an example of noun. We can say this is a noun. Then third one word is elephant. You know, elephant is an animal, name of an animal, that's why it is a noun. Now fourth one example written here, that is professor. Professor is a name of a profession or a person. We can say professor is a name of a person, and that's why it is also example of noun. And in last example written here, that is orange. Orange is a thing which we eat, that is means it is a thing, that's why it is an example of noun. You know that noun is a name of a thing, place, animal, person or a thing. Like this way you must know what is noun, and this noun is of two types, singular noun as well as plural noun. Now let's see, we are talking about a and an, how to use a and an with noun. Let's see, a as well as an is used before a singular noun. When to use a or an can be used, or is used actually before singular noun. Don't forget, before singular noun. Both the words a as well as an indicates singular things, singular objects. That's why a as well as an is used before singular noun. And then again we can differentiate. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant. Let's see the difference between a and an. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. And you know, in the last lecture we have learned we have learned and we have seen some of the examples of vowel sound and consonant sound. That's why you know what are vowels and what are consonants. And we are talking about noun and how to put a before noun. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound, and an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. An is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. And you know, there are 5 vowels in English, that those are a, e, I, o, u, and again sometimes y is also used as a vowel. Now examples of these, let's see the examples. By these examples it will be easy for you to know how to use a and an, how to put a, where to put a and where to put an. Example, a banana or a banana. You know, banana is a noun, a name of a fruit, and that is in singular form. Don't forget, a as well as an is used before singular nouns. Singular nouns means the nouns indicating single or one object. Now here banana, for example, banana. This banana, the word begins with B, and B is a consonant, and that's why I told you if a word begins with a consonant, then you should put a before it. That's why a banana. Now second one example, umbrella, that is an umbrella. Singular, again singular object, singular noun, and but the word is beginning with u, that is creating a sound, and that's why a e I o u, it is a vowel sound. U is a vowel sound. That's why we put an before that noun. An umbrella. Means a banana, b consonant, then u vowel sound. That's why an umbrella. A banana, an umbrella. One thing I want to tell you that we this choice of using a or an, that is totally determined by sound sound of the word. The first letter, we have to think about the first letter of a word and which sound it creates. B creates consonant, that's why a, and umbrella, this word u, first one letter creates a vowel sound, that's why we put an umbrella. Now third one again, book, a book. Book is singular object and b is a consonant again, a book. An egg, in the fourth example, e is a vowel sound, that's why we put an before it. Again last word, orange, an orange, singular object, and word begins with a vowel sound, that's why as per the language rule we put an before the word. That is, if the word is beginning with vowel sound, then we put an before it. And you must know the word must be a noun, and that must be a singular noun. Okay, thank you.